beer! Lemon pa?
G? Ay, last can na. May na lang, please.
Oh no! Ibibigay ko ba? Lemon o yasi? Lemon o yasi?
Simulan mo ang fun ng barkada with San Miguel flavored beer. You'll love the refreshingly delicious burst of apple and lemon flavors with just the light beer buzz.
Lemon o yasi?
Bro, follow your heart.
Lemon! For you, yasi.
Uy, thanks ha.
Sweet!
San Miguel flavored beer, the seriously fun beer. Drink responsibly.
San Miguel flavored beer, the seriously fun beer.
Design mo, pa-print mo. Pwede yan sa T-Shirt Factory Lawa. Meron silang iba't ibang klase ng t-shirt printing at personalized print ng mugs, tumblers, keychains, puzzles, sport jug, bag tag, bottom pins, stickers, card decals, at acrylic products gaya ng trophies, plaques, nameplates, table name signs, at iba pa. Personalize mo na din ang inyong...
Eto pa, bukod sa facilities, their mechanics are trained by different...
License number 266-LB 1222310-R is urgently